Click on the description below and download our portfolio of engineers that have graduated from the top 7 universities in South Africa that Enshrine Placements are showcasing. Finding the best candidates has never been as tough as it is today. Our engineers that have graduated from the top 7 universities in South Africa, 2 of which have been ranked within the top 200 universities in the world. Click on the description link below and view our Post-Millennials, also known as Generation Z, graduates that were born from 1997 to present, and our Millennial Engineering graduates between the ages of 22 and 37 years. Graduated with the following engineering disciplines: agricultural, aeronautical, architectural, biomedical, chemical, civil, electrical, electronic engineering, extractive metallurgy, industrial and systems engineering informatics, which includes computer science, software engineering, and human-computer interaction, material science, mechanical engineering, mechatronics, metallurgical engineering, metallurgy and materials, mining, motor vehicle engineering, nuclear, physical metallurgy, quantity surveying, manufacturing systems, and physics. Engineers all residing in South Africa in one of our 9 provinces: Western Cape, Eastern Cape, Gauteng, Free State, KwaZulu-Natal, Limpopo, Mpumalanga, Northern Cape, and Northwest Province. Our engineering graduate spreadsheet includes years of working experience and the candidate's annual remuneration package, and much, much more. All of our graduates listed have attended one of the top 7 ranking universities in South Africa, 2 of which have ranked in the Times Higher Education World University Rankings of 2020 of the top 200 universities. Ranked 1 in South Africa, University of Cape Town, ranked 136 of universities in the world. Ranked 2 in South Africa, University of the Witwatersrand, ranked 194 of universities in the world. Ranked 3 in South Africa, Stellenbosch University, ranked between 251 to 300 in the world. Ranked 4 in South Africa, University of KwaZulu-Natal, ranked globally between 401 to 500. Ranked 5th, Northwest University, and globally between 501 to 600. Ranked 6th in South Africa, University of Johannesburg, and globally between 601 to 800. And the university ranked 7 in South Africa, University of Pretoria, and globally between 601 to 800. Click on the link below to view our portfolio of engineering graduates of excellence, a spreadsheet of high-caliber engineering professionals, and register to be notified of engineering talent in your industry. The portfolio offers a do-it-yourself, easy-to-search platform with extensive search criteria from where you can select candidates matching specific position requirements. Great information for your company's employer branding, retention, employee engagement strategies, benchmarking, salary guidelines. Finding the best candidates has never been as tough as it is today. The global workforce is aging rapidly. A great amount of our skills are immigrating, and our baby boomers are retiring left, right, and center. Click on the link below and view our engineering graduates of excellence spreadsheet of high caliber engineering professionals, and register to be notified of engineering talent in your industry.